Welcome to FranklinWH Friday, episode number 6. I'm Brandon Sanchez and I'm thrilled to be your host again today. This month we're going to be giving out a GoPro to the quarterly photo contest winner. So stay tuned and I'll reveal the winners at the end of this video. I'm sure you're all hungover from your candy consumption post-Halloween activities. So for me, I came into the office today after successfully not buying any candy for myself, and I was hit with everyone's "I need to get this out of my house before I eat it" type of candy, so I'll take it to the office. And so guess what? This guy has lots of candy to eat, and I don't need to be eating this. But anyway, let's talk about the video today. I'm going to start with extreme weather. So in the wake of Hurricane Milton, over 3 million homes and businesses in Florida were left without power. The impact of this devastation was compounded by the recent damage caused by Hurricane Helene just 2 weeks prior. In the aftermath of these back-to-back hurricanes, our hearts go out to all those affected by the power outages and disruptions caused by these recent hurricanes. We empathize with all the challenges faced by the community during these trying times and extend our deepest sympathies to those enduring the aftermath of these natural disasters. FranklinWH is committed to providing practical solutions to help mitigate the impact of such crises. Our energy storage solutions are designed to assist you in achieving energy self-sufficiency. We provide expert guidance, monitor risks through extreme weather maps, and ensure a continuous power supply even in the most challenging circumstances. In the FranklinWH app, we have something called Storm Hedge, and this is specifically designed to offer reliable backup power and ensure energy continuity during emergencies. By leveraging our technology, individuals and families can better prepare for and navigate through these similar unforeseen circumstances. Storm Hedge also prioritizes fully charging your A-Power batteries by using solar energy and then grid power for household needs. So in the event of a power outage, the batteries seamlessly take over to provide uninterrupted home energy. Once the NWS confirms the end of an event, the app reverts back to your preset mode for normal operations. So once again, all automated is a very smart app, which ensures you to have peace of mind. For further information, I dropped a link in the video description area if you want to learn more. So stay vigilant, stay prepared, and ensure your backup power is readily available for any extreme weather conditions. So if you're not already subscribed to our channels, please do so, because this is where you're going to get the latest updates on anything FranklinWH, whether that's a product update, we're going to be rolling out with our app 2.0 soon. Whatever the case may be, subscribe to our channels, follow, like, subscribe. Any of those things help us out, but it also helps you out because you stay in the know. So as usual, I've gone through all of the monthly submissions, and I wish I had done that today because I'm loaded with candy and I would have something to munch on while I'm watching these. But thank you for everyone. Actually, what do I want? Citadel Roofing and Solar, congratulations. You are our premium gift package winner. Simply Solar, congratulations. You have won the special award gift package. Cosmic Solar, congratulations. You are our GoPro winner. So thank you again for taking the time to actually do those submissions. We love seeing them. So that's it for episode number 6. Thank you again for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys next time.